Check it out, it's a Snake River. Evel Knievel jumped some shit around here.
Who the fuck said let's build a bridge over that?
Well, Evel Knievel said, fuck it, I'm riding a rocket motorcycle.
He tried it over, he rode it down.
He didn't ride it over, he rode it down to the hole. Coming on into Boise, right, Tyler?
Yes, sir.
Nice. Almost there. Tyler with the.
You like that?
That was nice.
Like that.
Fancy. Right. Getting ready to get up.
This fucking truck.
I know. We've been in here, what, 13, 14 hours? We've made it.
Oh, there's the sign right there.
Yeah. We've made it to Meridian, Idaho.
Take the exit, then turn right onto South.
Welcome to Meridian, boys. We've made it.
You can't miss that, just like one show.
Yep. Middle of town.
Literally walk right off the fucking street.
Then the destination is on your right.
Bro, you vape, bro?
Vape,
Bro, vapes, bro. Cut!
Oh, what's his other?
Cut!
Retake.
Okay, I'll remember to clip that. Pulling into the track. It's a little cold for that thing.
Look, Bobby, they got you and me cars here. Oh, there's a perfectly good late model sitting outside.
We're here.
I don't know where I'm going. I don't even know what I'm doing. Well, should I guess right in here?
I guess we go in the pit gate because
I'm gonna C7 for a situation. This does not look like a big pit.
oh, it's cold. I know that. Waving us in.
Where you guys from?
Beaumont, California.
Okay, did you guys call out with Jesse James?
Yeah.
Down at the far end, there's 4 spots that are blocked with a tire.
Okay, thank you.
Came from North Carolina. Virginia, sorry, Virginia.
Sit down here at the end, right?